Hello everyone, my name is Christian Jones, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to carry out biochemical test. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also
So now I'm going to be showing you how to identify a particular bacteria by using the biochemical identification method. So first things first, this is my isolate here. You can see them beautifully streaked and they have a good look in the eye. So now I'm not really sure what these organisms are yet, so I want to identify them by using biochemical test. These are different agents, all which can help me identify the bacteria. So let's start first. So now this egg that I have here, now this is my urea based egg. So now let's get going, waste no time. Open gently. I'm going to start in the center, right down to the bottom. Then I'm going to straight up. Can you see? I'm going to still sterilely clean my stabbing rod. You can actually make the stabbing rod at home, anyone you want. You use a pin, then with a pen, like kind of thing, and then make sure it's clean. Pick another one. Bottom.
thank you, and that's it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.